Hey students, welcome back to Mathematics with Arman. Today we are going to master an important geometry chapter, lines and angles, from class 9th Maths. This topic lays the base for triangle constructions and more geometry in higher classes. So don't skip even a second. Let's begin. If we are studying lines and angles, we must know how line forms, how angle forms, what is a line, what is a ray, what is a line segment, what is a point. So first we will discuss through point. A point. A point is an exact location and a point is an exact location. Point. Next, line. What is a line? A line is a straight path. A line is a straight path. A line is a straight line path. Straight line path which is endless. Which is endless. Which is endless. Suppose I have made the line AB. There is a line AB. It is endless. It can be extended in both the directions. It can be extended in both the directions. Next, what is a ray? What is a ray? It is a line. It is a part of line. It is a part of line having one end point. Having one end. It is a part of line having one end point. Suppose I made this. It can be extended more. Here it is extended. A line segment. What is a line segment? Line segment. A part of line. Part of line. Part of line with endpoints. Part of line with two end points. Two end points. AB. This is a line segment. This is a line segment. Next, what? So these are the basic terms. Now how angles forms. How angles forms. We have covered the basic terms of lines. How angles forms. The angles formed two rays with the same initial point. This is the initial point having same endpoint, and along the vertex having two rays having same initial point is an angle. Here angle forms. Suppose I have written A angle AOB. Angle AOB. So there are many types of angles. Acute angle. First one is acute angle. More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Right angle. Equal to 90 degree. After right angle, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180. Obtuse angle, then straight angle is equal to 180 degree. After that, reflex angle. More than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. And one more is there, which is O, which is complete angle. Its measure is 360 degree. So this we have discussed types of angles. One more time I will discuss it. Types of angles: acute angle, more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Right angle is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Complete angle is measure of 360 degree. After covering this, types of lines, we can say types of lines: intersecting and non-intersecting. Intersecting and non-intersecting lines and non-intersecting. What are intersecting lines? Suppose I have made this diagram and here is it. This is point O, P, Q, R and S. P, Q and RS are intersecting lines which intersect at O. This is a intersection point. And suppose I have made what are non-intersecting? Non-intersecting can be parallel lines which can't never be meet. Suppose I have made this. These are parallel lines. Parallel lines are the example of non-intersecting lines. After that, we will move to pairs of angles. Properties. What are the properties? Some of the properties you may know and some may not. First one is complementary angle. some pair of angles we are doing. Complementary angles. Complementary angle sum of two pair of angles is 90 degree. In the same way, supplementary angles. In the same way, supplementary angles sum of two pair of angles is 180 degree. Adjacent angles. What is adjacent angles? What is adjacent angles? Two angle suppose I made this A O B. Two angles are adjacent if they common vertex are common axis and non-common arm are on different sides. Adjacent angles. So I have made this, and here it forms many pair of angles. This line which is cutting two parallel lines is called transversal. The line which cuts these parallel lines is called transversal. So first we will talk about what are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. What are the pairs which is forming Z? Interior Z. Here it is forming angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 5. So angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5. Alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 7. Angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 7 are the two pairs of alternate exterior angles. What are corresponding angles? In this, what are corresponding angles? Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, and angle 3 and angle 7 are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles. Vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 3 and angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 6 and angle 7 and angle 5. Angle 4. Okay. What are the co-interior angles? Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6 are the co-interior angles. Linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 4, angle 4 and angle 3, and angle 2 and angle 3. Okay. Angle 5 and angle 8 linear pair. Angle 8 and angle 7 linear pair. Angle 6 and angle 7 linear pair. Angle 5 and angle 6 linear pair. So these are the pair of angles we have discussed. What we have discussed in our today class. First we move out to a point. What is a point? We discuss line. What we have discussed, what is a line, what is a ray, what is a line segment, how angle forms, types of angles, its properties, intersecting and non-intersecting lines, some pair of angles, and at last we end with the properties. Now this is end of the session, and this is mathematics with Arman, and I will see you in the next video in the part 2, in which we will be covering questions based on lines and angles. Keep practicing, keep growing.